Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to install the macOS 27 developer beta on your MacBook. The developer beta is a preview version of macOS that you can install if you'd like to see the system under development. You shouldn't install it if it's your daily driver device, if it's your work device, because it is not very trusted. But if you'd like to test it out, feel free to do it. Just make sure to back up any important data that you currently have on your MacBook so you don't lose it in case anything happens with the preview system. Now you'll need to get to the settings and you'll find the general settings right here. Then go to Software Update and find Beta Updates. Once you click on that icon, you can switch it to macOS 27 Golden Gate Public Beta. When you click on Done, it'll start loading for about 2 minutes, and it should find the newest macOS 27 beta. And now it was found, so you can select Upgrade Tonight or Upgrade Now, which I'll do. And then I'll need to enter the password after agreeing to the software license agreement. And now it's downloading the macOS 27 beta. It may take several minutes depending on your internet connection. I'll get back to you when it's done. One more important thing before it downloads, make sure that your MacBook is charged to a sufficient level of battery or plugged in. It would be the best if it was both charged well to at least 80% and plugged in, and I'll actually plug it in a moment. It's now downloaded, but it's still preparing the update by verifying the files. As you can see, it automatically went to the installation. It's currently in the process of installation, so it says it's about 2 minutes remaining. Typically, it's a bit longer than it says. Later on, the laptop will turn on in the new macOS 27. And there it is. It's currently installed already, so feel free to use it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.